National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources at New Delhi. Mismatch. National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow. FAO headquarter, Rome. Food and Agriculture Organization. Central Agmark Laboratory, Nagpur. Central Rice Research, Cuttack. Central Potato Research, Shimla. DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostic Research Center, Hyderabad. Central Institute of Medical and Aromatic Plants, Center for DNA Fingerprinting, Hyderabad. Institute of Microbial Technology, Chandigarh. National Institute of Immunology, New Delhi. Central Drug Institute, Lucknow. Central Leprosy Institute, Agra. Motilal Nehru, Allahabad. Institute of Sugar Technology, Kanpur. National Institute of Mentally Handicapped, Hyderabad. Among Lucknow-based National Science Institute, identify the non-CSIR. C. Birbal Sahni Institute of Paleobotany. Birbal Sahni Institute of Paleobotany is an autonomous non-CSIR Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Where is High Security Animal Disease Laboratory located? Bhopal. B. Which is incorrect. Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow. Electrochemical Research Institute, Kolkata. Central Electrochemical, New Delhi. Center for Cellular Molecular Biology, Hyderabad. Central Salt Research Institute, Bhavnagar. Headquarters of Survey of India, Dehradun. Survey of India, Dehradun. Department of Science and Technology. CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute in Lucknow. Indian Veterinary Research Institute in Bareilly. Indian Veterinary in Bareilly. NACO is an organization dealing with its Sanraksha Research and Control Project. Which among the correct is correct? D. Cooperative Movement, Dr. Kurian. Development Economics, MD Shah. Astronomy, Abdul Kalam. Jaipurian Prosthetic Food, Pramod Kumar Sethi. Embryo is found in seeds.